Thank you. 39 on the docket calls 2415980 paternity SAPS or AOP filed by the state. Would the parties please raise their right hands? You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Okay. You can put your hands down. Ms. Hannah, please state your first and last name.
Hannah Urias.
And Mr. Jesus, your first and last name, sir.
Jesus Escamilla.
And counsel for the state.
Joyce Watchku for the Office of the Attorney General.
And what do we have, counsel?
Your Honor, we do have a proposed order ready. However, I believe Mr. Escamilla may have a request before the court regarding the children that are party to this case.
In
terms of possible DNA.
Oh, okay. All right. Go ahead. Because I'm like, the hearing. Okay.
I didn't want to speak for him.
Okay. All right. So let's have a hearing on that. You may proceed, counsel.
All right. I will call Jesus Escamilla. Sir, were you requesting DNA testing today?
No, I was asking about it, but I'm not requesting it.
Okay. So is it that you're ready to proceed to getting it today, correct?
I'm ready to proceed.
Okay.
Right.
And you're
All right, guys, the courtroom opens with a sharp tone. The judge calls case number 39 on the docket. Both parties raise their hands to swear the truth. This isn't just another hearing. This is where a father, Jesus Escamilla, faces the state to determine his role as a parent. The tension rises when DNA testing is mentioned, but Jesus boldly says, "I'm ready to proceed. No more waiting, no more doubts." The judge warns him this is his only chance to contest. He doesn't flinch.
Stating that you're not requesting DNA testing on any of the children?
Right, correct.
Okay.
All right. Now, you understand this is your one and only chance of asking for that. And if you have any doubts,
Go ahead and give it to him.
Wait 1 second, ma'am. This is the day to ask, because they're going to be moving forward asking me to find that you are the father of the children subject to this case. And that'll be the order. So this would be the day to ask.
Right, that's fine. I understand.
All right. And what you're saying is you're fine. You're not requesting any DNA. And then they're going to ask if you're admitting that you're the father on the record and you're ready to move forward. Is that what you're saying, sir?
I'm ready to move forward.
Okay. All right, counsel. So now what do we have?
We have a contested hearing, so I'm going to ask for 20 minutes.
Okay, you may proceed.
Thank you. First, I will go ahead and call Hannah Urias. Ma'am, can you state the name of the children that's party to this case?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that? You cut out.
Can you state the name of the children that are party to this case?
Jimena Michelle Escamilla, Alicia Anaí Ruby Escamilla, Sebastian Antonio Escamilla.
Okay. And you are the mother of these children, correct?
Yes, I am.
And who is the father?
The judge turns to Hannah Urias, mother of 3 children, and asks who the father is. Without hesitation, she names Jesus. The room stiffens when asked if there's anyone else who could be the father. Unfortunately not, she says. The courtroom is silent. She admits they were never married, yet their lives remain tangled. The judge confirms the children live with Jesus. The father is already carrying the weight. But now it's time to make it official before the law.
Jesus.
What's the full name?
Escamilla.
And where do who do the children currently reside with?
With Jesus in his mother's house.
So right now the children live with Mr. Escamilla, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when these children were conceived or born, were you married to Mr. Escamilla or anyone else?
No, I wasn't married.
Could anyone else besides Jesus Escamilla be the father of these children?
Unfortunately not.
And you're in agreement that last name of the children will continue to be Escamilla, correct?
Yeah.
Has there been any family violence between you and Mr. Escamilla?
A long time ago, yes.
When you say a long time ago, what was the month and year of that incident?
2021.
Do you remember what month?
July. Maybe July or something.
Maybe July 2021. What occurred?
Um, I really can't remember what exactly we were arguing about.
Well, she's
But
asking what you're arguing about. Did he put his hands on you first? Did vice versa destroy each other's property? Restraining orders, protective orders, police involved? That's specifically what's.
police got involved, yes, because
But wait, let's go back.
Then, the judge dives straight into the dark part: family violence. Hannah's tone softens. Her eyes drop. She admits it happened a long time ago in 2021. The judge presses for details: month, year, what exactly occurred. Hannah hesitates, her voice trembling. I can't remember what we were arguing about, but the judge doesn't let go. Did he put his hands on you first? The question cuts deep. The courtroom feels heavy with the weight of truth.
You said there had been. Did he put his hands on you first?
there has been both domestic violence on both sides. So, I mean,
Okay.
I can't really give you all the dates now. I figured that they could look it up. I don't know.
No.
No.
What I need you to do though is to listen to the question, okay?
Okay.
And what specifically is being asked of you right now is you're stating he put his hands on you first in a specific incident.
The last time that I got incarcerated for him was in 2021, and the last time that he got incarcerated for me, I believe, was in 2021, but a few months later.
Okay, so I want to talk about first when he put his hands on you, then we'll talk about it the other way. So specifically, what happened when he put his hands on you? Did he hit you, punch you? What?
Yeah, he hit me.
Okay. And then the police was called?
Yes.
And he was arrested?
Yes.
Was a case filed because of it?
I think charges were dropped.
Okay. Have you ever been granted any restraining orders or protective orders against him?
Yes, automatically the ones that they just give you offer it, but I never renewed or anything.
Finally breaks: both of them were violent. Police were called. Both got arrested. Both hurt each other. The judge listens carefully, piecing together a cycle of pain and retaliation. Did you have a restraining order? Yes, but it expired. This wasn't just a bad night. It was years of damage. Still, she doesn't speak with hatred, it's exhaustion. Two people, once in love, now stand divided by bruises and broken trust, trying to rebuild something stable for their kids.
Like that.
So they have expired.
Yes.
Okay. Now, have you put your hands on him first?
Yes, I have.
And you were arrested?
Yes, I was.
And what happened to that case?
I did my time for it.
Okay, so it wasn't dropped.
No.
Okay. And was he granted any restraining orders or protective orders against you?
I don't know about that because anytime I was in jail, I just stayed there the whole entire. It was 2 weeks, but I don't know.
Okay. All right. Go ahead, Ms. Wanchiku.
Do you have any safety concerns for yourself or your children if your contact information is placed in this order, Ms. Urias?
No, I don't.
Now, are you in agreement with Mr. Escamilla continuing to be the primary parent of the children?
At the moment, yes.
If the court finds that there's been family violence, do you understand that they can only appoint one parent as the sole managing conservator?
Can you clarify more about that? She did say something like that, but I don't understand.
So, are you in agreement with Mr. Escamilla being, at this time, being appointed the sole managing conservator? He gets to make the decisions regarding.
Judge shifts gears. Do you fear for your safety? Hannah shakes her head. No fear, no anger, just surrender. She agrees the kids should stay with their father. The judge reminds her if family violence is proven, only one parent can hold managing custody. Hannah, confused but calm, nods. She's not fighting anymore. It's the first quiet moment in the courtroom, a mother admitting she's not strong enough to fight for custody right now. The silence says everything.
The children.
Is that the same thing as full custody?
Okay, so you don't get to ask her questions. She asks you questions. If you guys need to go back to the breakout room, that's fine. But she
Okay.
asks you questions. If I find family violence, it's automatically sole managing conservatorship because I can't appoint it as joint managing. We'll get to visitation to see what's the request regarding, and if it's family violence, there's an automatic non-disclosure finding, ma'am. Okay, go ahead, counsel for the state.
Do you currently visit the children?
When I can, yes. When he allows it, yes. I just saw them recently.
Okay. And how old are the children?
7, 6, and 2.
When you've seen the children, have they stayed overnight at your place?
No,
They've never stayed overnight at your place with just you?
it's not my place. No. My kids have special needs, all 3 of them. I don't
Okay,
have
so
my room.
what is your request when it comes to visitation? How would you like for
I mean,
visitation to go?
whatever you guys are gonna give me, because honestly, we haven't really, when it comes to visitation, we never had any problems. There wasn't a need for supervision.
Ma'am, has CPS ever been involved in your case?
And
Now, the state attorney steps in asking about visitation. Hannah says she visits when she can, whenever Jesus allows. She hasn't had them overnight. Her voice cracks when she explains, "My kids have special needs." All 3 of them. Suddenly, the courtroom energy changes. It's no longer just a custody fight, it's a story of 3 little ones needing stability. The state listens carefully. Every answer from Hannah feels like a confession of struggle, regret, and the limits of her own strength.
in the past, just based off of the fact that there was domestic violence and my kids were asleep in the next room.
Okay.
But
How long has Dad had the kids in his possession?
it'll be a year in the summer.
And how did he come into possession of all 3 kids?
Okay. So
Short version. Short version.
me and his mother, well, his mother had to go to jail for me. I was the victim. And I was only with them for the reason being that, yes, we were working on our family, but I don't have a family like that. So I got with Jesus really young. I was 17. I didn't have a foundation or nothing. This time around, I'm working on myself to get my own belongings so that I can take care.
Let me interrupt you. He's had the children for the last year in his possession, correct?
Correct.
You don't have to tell me, just listen. You're 18 or over, correct?
Yes.
Okay. How is it that he got to keep them? It's just a better home, better environment. They're taking care of them and you're not able to handle it?
I have nothing to my name.
Okay. All right. So you've decided the best place for them at this time is with Dad. Is that correct?
When asked how Jesus got custody, Hannah explains through tears he just has a better home, better environment. She admits she has nothing. No house, no foundation. I was 17 when I got with him, she says. Now I'm trying to rebuild my life. The judge interrupts, gently confirming the children have been with their father for almost a year. It's not neglect. It's survival. Hannah's honesty hits hard. She's not hiding her failures. She's owning them.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And you had a discussion with him that he would take the 3 kids because he's more stability and he can handle it. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. You said all 3 have disabilities. What are the disabilities?
My 3-year-old is delayed. She'll be 3 in April. Just speech delayed, but she's slowly getting back up there. My son has autism and I believe ODD. And then Jimena has an intellectual disability.
Okay. All right. So you're not objecting that the children continue to live with Dad, are you?
At the moment, no.
All right. And what specific type of visitation are you requesting?
If I could see them throughout the week, the weekend,
Okay.
a couple hours, if I can go for them, if I can get a heads up in time, I can, set up transportation, maybe take them to McDonald's, something.
Okay. Counsel, you may. You may proceed, Ms. Wunsch.
Thank you, Your Honor. Are you in agreement that the children be maintained on the government health plan as far as their health and dental?
Yes.
Are you currently employed, Ms. Arias?
Courtroom grows quieter as Hannah explains her children's conditions. One has autism, one a speech delay, another an intellectual disability. Her voice breaks. Yet, she still supports the decision that they stay with their father at least for now. When asked about visitation, she pleads for something simple, a few hours a week. Maybe McDonald's, if I can get transportation. That humble request cuts through the legal jargon. A mother just asking for a few hours of love.
I'm not employed.
Okay. Do you understand that the state's proposed support amounts are going to be based on a minimum wage presumption?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any other minor biological children besides the three that are before the court today?
No.
Are you in agreement to paying cash medical support of $110 a month beginning May 1st of 2025?
Yes.
Are you in agreement to paying child support of $315 beginning May 1st of 2025?
Yes.
Did you and Mr. Escamilla ever live together as a family unit?
Yes, for like a decade.
When did you all stop living together?
Just this past year. 2024.
What, around April 2024? Is that when you all stopped living
No,
together?
it was exactly July 10, 2024.
Okay, so you're saying it's July 10, 2024?
Mm-hmm.
All right. In terms of retroactive medical support and retroactive dental support, are you in agreement that that should not be ordered?
Yes.
And do you understand that you would be responsible for court costs as billed 60 days from today?
And how much is that?
Judge continues, asking about her finances. Hannah isn't employed. She agrees to pay $315 in child support and $110 in medical support starting May 1st, 2025. She doesn't argue, she nods with quiet acceptance. 10 years with this man, now reduced to paperwork and payment schedules. When asked about retroactive support, she agrees there shouldn't be any. It's a rare moment, both sides beginning to find order amid chaos. The judge watches carefully, holding back judgment.
As billed, so whatever the bill may be, do you understand that you would be responsible for
Sure.
that? I'm going to pass Mr. Urias right now and call Mr. Jesus Escamilla. Sir, you're in agreement that you are the father of the three children before the court today, correct?
Correct.
And last names two of the children to remain as Escamilla?
Right.
Okay. And you heard Ms. Uriah's testimony that there has been mutual family violence between the two of you. Would you agree that her testimony is correct?
Right.
And you understand that if there is a family violence finding, the court can only appoint one parent as the sole managing conservator?
Right.
And are you requesting to be the sole managing conservator?
Yes.
And as the primary parent to designate where the children reside, are you requesting that you not have any geographic restrictions?
There shouldn't be none. My only concern is the visitations.
In terms of you being able to be the parent that designates where the children reside, are you in agreement that you should not have any geographic restrictions, that you can live with the children wherever?
Oh, I agree.
And in terms of visitation,
Now it's Jesus' turn. He confirms he's the father. Calm, collected, no drama, just quiet authority. He admits there was mutual family violence, agrees with the court's findings, and requests to be the sole managing conservator. His only concern: supervision during visitations. I don't know where she'll take them, he says. It's not anger, it's fear. The kind a parent feels when control means safety. The judge nods, sensing the father's genuine concern for his kids' well-being.